The new Light Elegance winter collection for 2023 is here, and we're gonna make a deep dive into all the fantastic new colors, so make sure to stick around. What's up, nail bestie, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Celina, and I am so excited to invite you to a completely new concept here on my channel, and this is in a collaboration with Light Elegance. So in this video, I am not going to do the classic starring thingies and all the stuff that I've been doing for years. We have decided to switch it up a little bit. So this time you are actually going to get my first impressions. Ooh. Jesus. Ooh. Jesus. My real reactions. Oh my god. Ellie, stop it. You're killing me. And I'm also going to talk a little bit more in depth about the colors, and we are going to take a look at some of the things that I would personally want to do with the colors with my clients at the salon. So this is going to be super exciting. Hopefully you are going to enjoy it just as much as I am excited about this. And so yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that you probably want to know is the name of the new winter collection, and it is A Party to Remember. And of course now we are getting into the winter colors and all, moving on from fall. I know it is still fall. I think we're slowly kind of wrapping our heads around that it is getting into fall, and now we're talking about winter colors, but you know how it is. It's always like this. But we need to start preparing for winter, and these, I would say, like, just by looking at them like this, I would say these are perfect for fall as well. But a big difference from previous years with the Light Elegance collections is that we usually have the color and glitter gels, we have the P+, and then we have a completely different palette of colors for the buttercreams. That is not going to be the case anymore. So Light Elegance has actually decided to create the same colors for all different formulations. If you want to know more about which products to combine and how and what my recommendations are, then make sure to check out this video right here. I'm also going to put the link down in the description box below so that you can easily find it. So now I think it is time to kind of dig into the collection and see what it looks like. I think I'm gonna like this. Okay, so right off the bat, I feel like when I look at these colors, these are really made for like the festive season, but also just to kind of brighten up our mood when it starts getting a little bit darker outside. You got lots of jewel tones, which is perfect for those kind of holiday events and just to mix and match with your knitted sweaters and all that. My first reaction is that I can definitely see that Light Elegance have been working with the trendy colors that will be super on trend for winter 2023. I know that it's 22, but when you're talking about collections like this, you kind of, when it comes to winter, you always say like the next year. So it is the winter collection for 2023. Anyways, now you know that. So let's start by opening up, I think, the colors first, and then we're gonna move on to the glitters. So we're starting with Martini Up. This is like a really, from the picture, it looks like a jewel green. And it is super pigmented. I love this color. I am a sucker for green. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that I love greens. This is a true like emerald jewel toned green. I can definitely tell you that this is a super on-trend color for winter. Love this. It's gonna look amazing for both Christmas and New Year's. The next one that I'm drawn to is Fashionably Late. And the reason why I'm drawn to this is because together with Martini Up and this one, this is like super duper trendy, this combination. So if you have clients who are a little bit more dairy, not dairy, but like dare-y, then I would recommend you to try and see if you can get them to wear this combo. You can neutralize it with a nude to make it a little less scary, but oof, this is nice. This is like a fuchsia purple. It's on the muddier tone. Yeah, this is a cream, and you have that really cool purple that really shines through. When you swirl it like this, you can almost see it's almost like neon when you look at it like this, but in the pot it is more of can I say plum, like a fuchsia plum. Really cool. Anyways, love this. And as mentioned, I think these two together, like if you want to be trendy, and go with these. Okay, so another color, let's go with Let's Limo, because I bet that it's not limo. You know, being Swede, or being a Swede, or Swedish, and trying to figure out the names sometimes of this, it's a challenge, but I try my best. But I guess it is Let's Limo, because, I mean, sounds pretty straightforward. Ooh, this is a purple. This is a purple, like a jewel toned purple. It's really, really deep, but it still has a pop to it. Super, ooh, this is super nice. I would say this one with some gold on it, like gold flakes, or just like the gold buttercream, something easy, just a swirl of something with some gold in it. It's gonna look very expensive. Next up, we got Sexy Soiree. This is the first time I'm reading or just looking at the names. I have not seen anything up to this point. When I look at the label here, it looks like it's gonna be something shimmery. So I'm excited about that. Let's see what we got. It is shimmery for sure. Ooh, this is like, oh, these shimmers are perfect for winter and fall. This is a super, super fine shimmer, and it looks like satin. So you can create really cool and nice effects with this. If you put this on and then put a matte on top of this, it really is gonna look like satin, almost like if you took the pigment out, you would have like a chrome powder. It kind of feels like that. Really beautiful. This is stunning. So far, I think this is actually my favorite. Next one, we have Midnight Meat. So I guess you're meeting up at midnight or something. This also looks like it has some kind of shimmer or glitter even. And it does have some glitter in it. This one looks like a winter sky. Definitely. It is very rich and deep. I think the key word for this collection is rich and deep for sure. That's what they have gone for. And I don't blame them. I am here for it. So it has that not as fine shimmer as Sexy Soiree, but it is a little bit on the more finer side for sure. It's more of a, yeah, fine shimmer pigment. Wow, whiskey and wine. But of course, looks like it is some kind of wine red, or maybe more on the brown side. And personally, I think that is color that you must have around winter and fall. But yeah, it is a must. Oh my god. Ellie, stop it. You're killing me. Okay. It's another one of these shimmers that I love. I think we have been asking for a color like this for many years, and they finally did it. And I can tell you right now that this is probably my new favorite. It is an amazing dark cherry brown red with that super expensive and stunning shimmer. Jesus. So all these colors are also available in buttercreams and P+. So you got the hard gel, color gels, hard gel, buttercreams, and soft gel P+. Now let's move on to the glitters, because I know you have been waiting for that. First thing I want to do is to open... Okay, I want to open this. Sparkles or sequins? Question mark. Well, I think it kind of speaks for itself. Is it sparkles or sequins? We'll have to take a look. Every time I see a glitter gel that has like the name sequins in it, I get very excited. Wow. I want to bathe my face in this. It is like an iridescent white unicorn snow queen chunky glitter. Stunning, stunning, stunning. You can use this with any other colors really. And I think this goes so well with, you know, well, do you know? Of course you know. The Bieber trend, because you have that soft shimmer effect. This one, together with that. Then you have like the Bieber design goes winter holiday. It looks like sparkling snow. All right, next up is a green one called Make It a Double. It is green. That is pretty much all I know for now. I love these type of green glitters. It is a green, but it does have like turquoise blue shimmer in it. It looks like some kind of mermaid, but more on the Christmas side of mermaid. This is beautiful. Of course, you would compare or combine this with a Martini Up. They are made for each other. And next up we got May I Have This Dance, and it looks like it is some kind of neutral brown nude champagne. Maybe champagne. It is definitely a champagne, and this one is so cool. It has like rose gold and champagne, but it has those really nice fuchsia glitter pigments in here as well. So it really creates a little bit extra depth in it. Once again, you know, depth. It's a key word for this collection. This is one of those colors that would go with anything here. It's just a very nice neutral. It has, because of those like fuchsia, purplish like glitter specks in here, I would definitely combine this with Sexy Soiree, that super fine shimmer, or even Fashionably Late, which is more of that mauvey berry. Paparazzi, and this looks very interesting. It looks like it's a multi-color glitter. So let's see what we got here. Ooh! These are round flakes. Not flakes, but round glitter specks. I would put a black underneath here for sure, just to make sure that I get the glitters to really pop. And then I would say, because it has so many colors in here, you could probably combine this with any of the other colors. If you feel like this one is like a lot, no worries, just do like 1 or 2 nails with a black underneath. You can do the rest of the nails just black matte even, or if you want to be even more on the safe side, is always add like a nude. Always works. The next one is all dolled up, and from here it looks like a really sweet pink with well, more of a shimmer, maybe like a fine glitter perhaps. Let's see what we got. It is exactly what I thought. I know you, Lila, guess I know you. It is super sweet pink with fine shimmer. It is almost like a rainbow iridescent shimmer, if that's a thing. Really pretty. Oh my god, it is so cute. This with some nude. Also, if you want to do something with black, I think that would be amazing, just to kind of make it pop. It looks so pretty. This is like, I would say like a My Little Pony pink. And the last glitter that we are going to take a look at is Tall, Dark, and Handsome. But of course, it is a black. And now, drum roll, I think blacks are also something that takes in general, they try to find a really cool black, but they never seem to find like the perfect black. Maybe this is the perfect black. You guys, I think this is the perfect black. It is the perfect black. Seriously, I was not expecting this once again, but I honestly feel like they have created the perfect black. It's a true black glitter. Black glitters are really, really tough to make because, I mean, black in itself, it doesn't reflect any light. So it is hard because when you have a black glitter, you have to add something else to it to make it sparkle. So that's why you have lots of different colors in it. This is a black glitter. I think this is the blackest glitter that they've ever had, actually. Well, congratulations. There you have it. So now that we had a look at these amazing colors, I love the collection. If you want to have my honest first reaction, this is it. I love it. I think they are absolutely stunning, every single one of them. I feel like Light Elegance did such an amazing job with both the colors and the glitters. The glitters are also available as P+, so you have them in the color gel, glitter gel system, but also as a P+. And that is it for this video and this collection reveal with Light Elegance. I really hope that you enjoyed this new style of video. If you did, please let me know in the comments, or if you have any other suggestions or ideas how to improve this to make it even better. We just want to make sure that you have the best content and help possible. This amazing collection for winter 2023 will be available to all salon customers worldwide on October 28th. And as you probably know by now, all these Light Elegance products are human-free, nine-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do that. It helps me so much. If you would like to have more information, product reveals, and other fun content, also make sure to follow Light Elegance on their YouTube channel as well, of course. Take care, nail bestie, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!